All right, so I ordered a surprise bag from BudK and a couple of other things. The so-called $50 value for $26.99. Free shipping was nice. Thought I'd do an unboxing video. Today's mat brought to you by YourGameHaven.com. They don't know I'm doing this. Today's blade is the Kershaw filter. Which does not want to cut packing. All right, let's see what we've got. Okay, first, this is one of the things I actually ordered. This is the Wahoo Killer knife, made in China.
It's a pretty knife. No scissors? Do you need me to get some?
Some of this will be edited out. It's only a $3 knife. Clearly a Mora knockoff. It's surprisingly well reviewed. It's got a part number. It says it's stainless steel, China, but it doesn't say what kind of steel. And here you can see the Wahoo Killer logo on the blade. Definitely needs some touching up on the edge. Not very sharp.
Not a bad knife.
All right. We also have the BudK catalog, packing list. The other thing I bought, Trailblazer brand survival cards. Playing cards with survival tips on each card. I like playing cards. So I bought them because, I like my playing cards. I'll probably stick them in my everyday carry bag, which could double as a get home bag if you wanted to. And here we have the bag. Would you like to do the honors?
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see what we've got. And I can see that there are some knives in there, so I put them on the bottom just for fun. First we have a box.
With another box.
A Ridge Runner. Nice photo on the front. Oh my.
Okay.
We have a 3-knife set here. A hunting blade. Also stainless steel, handcrafted in China, with the Ridge Runner name on the bottom. Screw in the back suggests that it's not a full tang blade. Plastic handle. Feels nice. Much sharper than the other knife, too.
Ooh.
You know what I don't see here, though?
Huh.
A sheath.
Oh.
We have here a classic 2-blade pocket knife. Getting fingerprints all over the blades because they're oiled. No lock, just a slip joint, but a good solid lock up. Plastic handle, brass bolsters, or at least something that's made to look like brass. Very nice. And here we have a lock back. Check the edge on the last one. That's okay. They all seem pretty sharp.
Okay.
Very pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, that's got an edge. That really wants to cut. Ooh. It fights me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. We will set that aside for now. Get the next box. Looks to me like I've got almost all knives here. Here's another one from Ridge Runner. Taped shut. We know how to fix that.
I'm going to slide over this one. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Oh,
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's pretty. camp knife? Question mark.
A piece of number 4 plastic. This appears to be a Bowie style knife, although a fairly narrow bladed one. Silica gel. Snap. Just a basic sheath with a very large loop there. No tie down, so if you put that on your belt, it's going to flop around a lot at that length. Yep, Bowie knife.
That's
Can't mistake that.
pretty.
RR690 part number, China. Definitely a full tang blade. Plastic handle made to look like bone. Very heavy. A little bit back heavy, in fact. Balance point is just... well, it's not bad. The sheath is a good stiff nylon, so it's probably not going to get cut through too quickly. All right. This one's Timberwolf. You know what? No. We got one more Ridge Runner. We're going to do all the Ridge Runners back to back. This is the RR702, whatever that is. Ooh. Looks like a good folder. Nice texturing. The handle appears to be a hard plastic. Frame lock, which I like. Lanyard hole, but you'll note the clip is not reversible nor interchangeable. Sorry to all you lefties out there. Nice drop point shape. Solid jimping on the top blade. A little widely spaced, but not too rough. Lock up, I don't know how well it's showing on the camera, but is awfully far to one side. This doesn't go in very far on its own. Again, stainless steel. No steel type listed. Very sharp feeling. Then again, maybe not. Not quite shaving sharp. Let's try that again. Assisted, but a little stiff. Pretty big. This one just might make it into the EDC rotation.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm not going to open it. I like the handle design. It's a nice design.
It is, and it feels like, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's very non-slip, which is a nice touch. Here is the one not knife that I got. Made in China, BudK part number. I'm not entirely sure what I'm looking at here. Let's find out. Interesting.
What is that?
Do you believe? I don't know any idea what it is. If any of you know what this is, please down in the comments there. It's made of leather. And that's metal, not plastic. Beyond that, I couldn't tell you anything. And the last thing we've got is a Timberwolf knife. TW584 is the only marking on the box, so let's see what we've got here. Oh, that's shiny. Timberwolf logo on the clip. That is a very nice feeling handle. Interesting texture on it. Very good solid grip. Again, not a reversible clip. Nor can it be switched to tip-up carry. Feels like it's on a bearing liner lock. Lockup is also pretty weak looking. on the very edge of the blade there. .80 MII. But a very nice color scheme on it. Oh goodness. That's the lockup. I can't even get it there, engaged. Barely. Not real safe feeling that.
So tactic cool, got it.
Well, it's got a good grip to it. Nope, that does feel assisted on second thought. Very smooth. Feels good in the hand, but man, that block really bothers me. All right, so to recap, we got the Wahoo Killer, survival cards. Those were not in the surprise bag. You know what? This thing does not come out easily. That's a good thing. Not likely to drop that on the trail or over the side of the boat or wherever you happen to use it. A Bowie knife. A nice frame lock folder. No name on it. The leather thing. And the Timberwolf with the really pretty color scheme and the absolutely terrible lock. Did I get my $26 worth, not counting the 2 on the end? Let me know what you think. And I almost forgot the Timberwolf knife set. I'm not going to try to get it back into the foam cutouts. I wish this one came with a sheath, but they are good looking knives. So what do you think? Let us know in the comment section.